People must have brought this bunny some food. He seems to like it. It's like healthy stuff. Dave spotted a green slug. Look at that. Looks like it's eating a pine needle, I think. Very interesting. Hard for me to squat like this though. They're all over the place.
Came from that, yeah.
I saw the water disturbed and I'm like, why is that water disturbed? And then he came up a little ways from it, but look at that. That's fairly close for my camera.
Yeah, pretty close.
Reasonably decent anyway.
Yeah. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 of them.
Could be. It could be. It's definitely a few.
The other group was 3 or 4, then 3 here, and then this guy's by himself.
He's down under again.
So that's 7.
I never know where to aim for when he's going to come up. Where is he? Oh, there. There he is.
Oh, there's 2 of them. Yeah. 3.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm losing track of where I'm aiming at.
There, and 2 in front of him. And the other ones were way ahead too. Yeah.
I keep losing track because they're on the move, so it's hard to know how fast they're going. I'm guessing they're going behind the tree at this point. Oh, yep, there's one just going behind the tree. We've got a group of sea lions over here, looking to see if the coast is clear. They're probably quite concerned that those orca will come back for them. Hopefully they don't. Although some people would say it was a good thing if they did, but I feel sorry for both sides. Slug on the move. Slowly crossing the path. He'd better hurry up before somebody comes and accidentally steps on him. That happens a lot, actually. I wonder how many there is. It's got to be about 20 or something. That's quite a few. Fuzzy caterpillar crossing the path. Here we see a couple of bunny rabbits at Rathtrevor Beach in Parksville. This guy here, and his little friend over here. So cute. This guy must be a cottontail. He's pretty big, actually. Wish he'd turn his head this way. Doesn't seem to want to look this way. He's busy cleaning. Oh well. Hi there, cutie. This guy turned his head this way. I love bunnies. They're adorable. A river otter in the ocean at Piper's Lagoon. Look at that. There's an eagle right there on that rock. And the river otter just went over here. It literally swam right by it more than once. Where did he go? Oh, he's right there on the rock. There's the river otter on the rocks. And there's an eagle right there. Oh no. Oh geez, I thought that was going to end really badly. Yeah, it's a big group over there.
Yeah.
Oh, one just jumped. Oh, they're jumping.
Parking recording will now start.
Qualicum River, and there's this little patch of, like a little mini island over here with all sorts of birds on it. And it looks like a bunch of sea lions all along there. And a couple of eagles over here. And a bunch more seagulls or some sort of birds over there. Fascinating. Oyster catchers and cormorants on this rock, and the oyster catchers are making a lot of noise.
Bonus here, eh, Jerk?
Yeah.
You guys see the sea all through the East Coast.
Just